Weekend, protests and celebrations taking place across the country for what would have been the 50th anniversary of Roe v. Wade. Nearly 7 months ago, the Supreme Court stripped away the nation's constitutional protections for abortion after nearly half a century. The decision to overturn the landmark Roe v. Wade ruling has led to abortion bans in 14 states, including Missouri. 5 on your side's Mercedes McKay spoke with both abortion supporters and opponents about how they're feeling today. Mercedes?
Mike, today brings on a mix of emotions for many. While anti-abortion activists are celebrating after nearly 50 years of fighting for change, abortion rights advocates are still trying to wrap their heads around a post-Roe world.
It's heavy to greet a 50th anniversary that should be a celebration, knowing that unbelievably that right that so many of us took for granted is taken away.
Rather than rejoicing, Rachel Lazar is grieving on what would have been the 50th anniversary of Roe versus Wade.
I couldn't believe that we would actually get to this point.
Lazar, president and CEO of Americans United, just visited St. Louis this past week, filing a lawsuit with a group of religious leaders challenging Missouri's abortion ban.
It's pretty devastating that those freedoms aren't available. And let's be honest, who are they not available to the most? I mean, they're not available the most to folks who are marginalized.
Brian Westbrook describes January 22nd as an important day in the history of the United States.
We don't look backwards, we look forwards. And when we look forwards to what we need to do next, there's so much work ahead of us.
Westbrook's pro-life organization Coalition Life focuses on helping women in crisis pregnancies. He says even though the overturn of Roe versus Wade was in their favor, abortions continue.
The women here in Missouri, about 9,000 of them per year, are still leaving the state to go and get abortions elsewhere.
That's why Westbrook and his team are putting resources into Illinois, where abortion is still legal.
These are real threats to the pro-life movement, and most importantly, to the women and children that they're going to impact.
While both sides have differing opinions, neither are stopping their fight.
If we believe in the power of our voices, that is how we make change, and that we will win in the long run.
We are always working hard because the unborn child is always at risk for abortion.
Congresswoman Cori Bush has been incredibly vocal since Roe v. Wade was overturned. She released a statement today saying, as a congresswoman, pastor, mother, and someone who has had abortions, she will never stop fighting for reproductive rights.
Mercedes, thanks. There was more local reaction to the anniversary of Roe v. Wade today in Forest Park. The Bigger Than Roe STL Women's March met at the World's Fair Pavilion, where guest speakers and organizations shared their reaction to the current state of reproductive rights. Men and women alike coming together today in support of abortion rights.